Meow, Huples cat. So how do you tell how full this is? That's full. We'll see how full it is after we give it a small test. What's the temperature, kitty?
20s something.
Yeah, it was 22 centigrade, which is over 70 Fahrenheit about an hour ago. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And again, we have no clouds. So Kitty's going to go around the block, which in our case is probably a 2.5 hour walk. So we've had days of heat and we've still got a little bit of snow and ice left, but it's mostly gone. I've been all over the interior of the forest. Now we're awaiting bug season. Fortunately, people love to drive and they kill snakes and other wildlife and they don't even notice, but it affects their karma. So we're going to move that off, put it on the side so animals can eat it. Oh, such a shame. I'm going to put this there, I think.
That's where I try to stop it.
Rest in peace, little gat snake.
Then they can see them from the air.
So until about 2 days ago, this was absolutely completely covered in deep snow all around it and on it. And you can see the huge snowbanks from the ploughing almost gone. Fairly sure that's bare. The snow has become water. We had another print, same size as the other one. Big as my hand. So you can see the erosion there, the ATVs, but mostly the snowmobiles do during the year, and there's not that many using this. But just as a by the by, this is an area where I would reclaim soil in SHTF for the gardening. Quite a lot of it, and because of the erosion it's easy to get to. There's a transient pond at the top of a mountain caused by snow melt. So on the south side you can still see the snow where the sun doesn't really hit it, but you can see the water down below. That tiny creek is now quite a little stream. Well, that's been hidden all winter and now it's exposed. Down it goes. To be held in the wetland, eventually to go into a big lake. That's a new one on me.
How you doing?
Good, nice day, eh?
Yeah. Where are you from? Over, you have a cottage over there?
No, we're on that side.
Okay.
So she's just walking around, so I'm just going to go at the end of here and then back.
Yeah, it's one of our regular walks, so we haven't been out here in a while.
I know, we haven't seen your tracks all winter.
No, well I do the lane more in the winter. Yeah.
You don't go on our skidoo trail then?
We try not to.
A little bit?
Yeah, we try not to.
Yeah.
We go on during the week mostly if we go on the skidoo trails. We spent a lot of times winter on our own property.
Yeah.
So.
And actually, my parents were ill this winter. We were away a lot.
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so not as much walking as usual.
Yeah. Have fun.
Yeah, enjoy it while it's here.
Enjoy.
See you later.
So it comes in 2 pieces. Screw on. Then you have the air horn side and the top. 1, 2, 3.
Don't do it
That's pretty loud. Silver skinned. What a shame. You moving them off the road?
I don't think so.
No?
No.
We really decided to go around the block with Kitty. It's only about 9-10 kilometres, not too far. Beautiful day. Hopefully Wolfie's doing okay on his own. Well, that's it, just over 2 hours. It was quite hot, like 24, 25 centigrade, and it feels like July and I've probably got some sun. Not a lot. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Toodles. It's been a 2023 Wolfie Terrier production.